Hi everyone, Jessica Benavides Allen here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 3-ingredient ice cream bread. First, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you want to make sure you oil your bread pan lightly so that your bread doesn't stick. The 3 ingredients you're going to use for this specific bread is going to be 2 cups of your melted vanilla ice cream, 1/3 cup of sprinkles, and 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. That's very important. It has to be self-rising flour for this to work for you. So I'm going to start out by using, of course, my Bluebell's homemade vanilla ice cream. It needs to be melted. There's 2 different ways that you can melt your ice cream. The way that I prefer to melt my ice cream is just to let it sit out and slowly melt and stir it occasionally. You can also use your microwave whenever you're doing that. Please make sure that you do it about a minute at a time, stirring in between. You don't want your ice cream to get hot. You definitely want it to stay cool to the touch. Next, you're going to mix in your self-rising flour. And you're going to nicely stir that up until there is no flour showing through. When you're making this, feel free to play around with the different types of ice cream. I prefer my desserts to be less sweet, but you can also choose a chocolate ice cream, you can choose strawberry ice cream, or whatever flavor is best for you. You want to make sure you give this a really good stir. Make sure that you can't see any more flour. Make sure you scrape off all of your sides. Now I'm going to add my sprinkles. You could use chocolate chips or any other kind of dessert that you would like. I like the sprinkles because it gives it a cute little look. So I'm going to pour those in to my batter mix, and you are going to just stir those around until it's nicely stirred into the batter. Look how pretty that looks. So now I'm going to take this batter and I'm going to pour it into my bread pan. All right, I think I got it all. Now you just want to make sure that you even out your batter so that as it cooks evenly. That's what it's going to look like before it goes into the oven. So now I'm going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. You want to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. So after 45 minutes, you probably want to take a toothpick, poke it right in the thickest part of your bread. If it comes out clean, your bread is done. If it doesn't, give it a little more time. And for the visual effect, I went ahead and made one so you could see what the bread looks like. This is what it should look like when it's done. How pretty is that? I like to use this bread for an afternoon snack with my coffee, or if you want an evening snack, you can do a dollop of ice cream to go along with it. I hope that you enjoyed my video, and I hope that you get to try this out and love it just as much as I do. Thank you.